Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find the mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive 1 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one cone here. And this one we have f and s. Now we need to simplify this one, and we have s. So we multiply both sides by s. This one we have number 1. This one we have cosine s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have sy. This one that is about sine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.